Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper. This simple trick can save your day when a zipper pull breaks or the slider gets stuck. First, assess the damage to your zipper. Is the pull tab missing, or is the slider itself not moving correctly? You will need one small to medium-sized safety pin, typically about 1 inch long, to perform this quick repair. Make sure the zipper teeth are properly aligned before proceeding. Now let's attach the safety pin. Carefully open your safety pin, making sure not to prick yourself. Locate the small hole or loop on the zipper slider where the original pull tab was attached. Gently thread the open end of the safety pin through this hole. Once it is through, securely close the safety pin. This creates a temporary, yet effective, new pull for your zipper. With the safety pin now securely attached, you have a functional temporary zipper pull. Hold the closed safety pin firmly between your thumb and forefinger. Gently pull the pin upwards or downwards to operate the zipper, just as you would with the original tab. Remember to apply even pressure and avoid yanking, which could potentially damage the zipper teeth or the fabric. This method works for most common zipper types. While this safety pin trick is incredibly handy for emergencies, it is important to remember it is a temporary fix. For a more durable and long-lasting solution, consider replacing the entire zipper slider or having the item professionally repaired. Always choose a safety pin that fits through the slider's hole without forcing it. This simple method can extend the life of your garment until a proper repair can be made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.